The weather is warming up, the trees are all blooming, and spring is here. In the US, that means it's almost Mother's Day. And if you need some gift ideas for the mom in your life, I am here to share with you some great ideas, but with a twist. These aren't just gifts. These are all products and companies that also give back to communities and people around the world. So let's jump into it. I have 5 gift ideas to share with you, as well as a couple of extra bonus tips if you stick around until the end. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katie and I'm a mom of 8. None of these things are sponsored. I have not received any credit for doing any of this. And even a step further, none of the links for these things are affiliate links. So you can purchase these gifts and I will get nothing from it. These are just things that I truly love, admire, use, or have come across in my regular life. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. I talk all things about homeschooling and adoption and foster care and large family living and motherhood and just life. So I would love for you to stick around with us because we love to encourage you. The first organization that I want to share with you is Eden Jewelry. Now, I have talked about Eden frequently in the past. I love their jewelry. I wear their jewelry almost daily. This is an organization in Southeast Asia that helps to rescue women out of trafficking situations, and they also work in community education and development to help prevent people from getting into trafficking situations in the first place. My earrings that I am wearing today are from Eden. They are called the One of a Kind earring. They are actual real leaves that have been hand dipped in gold, and I love them. But they ship quickly, and they have a wide variety of jewelry lines in all kinds of different styles and price points. I'm also wearing the Restoring Justice ring. And one of the things that I love about buying gifts from this company is that all of the profits and proceeds from this jewelry goes directly to the women who are in the program. Their mission is, together with the women who have been rescued from human trafficking, they're creating precious jewelry that carries their stories. So you can go to thisiseden.jewelry and you can shop all of their jewelry lines. You can read the stories of the women who have been rescued by and benefited from Eden's very extensive therapy programs. And you can know that when you order something, whether as a Mother's Day gift or for yourself, that all of that money is going directly to benefit the women in this program. All of the administrative costs and things like that are covered by grants and donations. So be sure to go check them out. The next company that I want to share with you is called Goods and Better. You can find them at goodsandbetterstore.com. Every purchase from this company directly benefits a child in foster care. So they have a variety of clothing items, gift items. They have some jewelry. They have some stickers. You can see I recently got myself a new Mom of Many sticker. They also have on the back of my bus, I have one that says there's like a whole lot of kids in here. That is from this company. They have mugs there and they have wall art. There's just a huge variety of products. So I have a couple of shirts. The one I'm wearing is also from them. Now, the idea behind Goods and Better is that you pick out something that you love or something that you think the mom in your life will love, and then you choose the impact you want it to have. Now, they have different categories of ways that they help and benefit children entering foster care. So you can choose to provide toiletry items like toothbrushes and shampoo. You can provide a comfort item like a blanket or a stuffed animal. You can provide luggage. A lot of times kids come into foster care and they don't have time to pack. So you can do luggage, you can do baby bottles and formula, all of those things, but you get to choose what you want your impact to be, and then Goods and Better will donate that item to a foster child on your behalf. If you've been around here before, you know that foster care is very near and dear to our hearts. We are former foster parents and we're an adoptive family. 3 of our daughters came to us from the foster care system. And so knowing that I can get something super fun that I love to wear and use, and also providing items like this for foster kids, is a huge benefit to me. Let's go down to our feet. Tom's. Tom's is one of the original give back companies. They started out as a 1-for-1 company where when you bought a pair of shoes, they gave a pair of shoes to a child in need. Recently, they have expanded their impact to contributing 1/3 of all of their profits to grassroots efforts like organizations creating change in local communities, so that they're driving progress from the ground up. And they don't just write out grants, they actually volunteer and help out and continue to build relationships with those organizations. I have been wearing Tom shoes for years. I love that they are sturdy and comfortable, and they look cute dressed up or dressed down, and I actually have several pair that I cycle through. I can attest that they are great shoes, especially for moms. So this next company, I actually didn't find myself. My friend Pam, when she recently bought her home, her mortgage company sent her this blanket from a company called Sackcloth and Ashes. Now this is a beautiful Italian wool throw blanket. It is so soft and cushy and just sort of decadent in every way. But this company, Sackcloth and Ashes, when you buy one of their blankets, they donate blankets to a homeless shelter in your area. So based on the shipping address, they partner with a homeless shelter or an organization helping the homeless to give a blanket. And they even tailor their blankets depending on what kind of shelter it is, whether it's a high turnover shelter where the blankets need to be washed frequently, or whether it's a longer term shelter where people are able to keep the same blanket. It was started based on the founder's mother's experience in with homelessness. So the founder's mother found herself homeless, and through his experience dealing with that and trying to help his mom, he came up with this idea for these blankets. Now, what I think is super cool about this is not only is this blanket like gorgeous and awesome, but this box that it comes in has ideas for other things that are frequently needed in homeless shelters that you can fill up this box with and take to your local shelter and donate. So it just kind of continues to give. Now, they don't just hand out blankets, although those are a very real and tangible way to give back to the community, but they also help fund those grassroots efforts to help people in different communities find the best solutions for homelessness in their area. So they are giving back on multiple levels here. Now, if you don't want to try to buy clothes or shoes or jewelry for someone whose taste you're just not sure you can nail, you can never go wrong with chocolate. And so I want to highlight actually a local company to me here in Knoxville. This is Lirio Chocolate, and these are single source cocoa beans that are sourced by the chocolate maker himself from small fair trade farms around the world. And so each bar is made from beans from the same farm, and it's labeled. So like this one is from Tanzania, and this one is from India. So if you don't know, a lot of mass-produced chocolate is produced at less than living wage. It is using child labor and often slave labor. And so the reason that we can buy chocolate so cheaply is because we don't actually pay the people growing it a living wage. So finding something that is fair trade makes a big difference in the lives of the people growing the cocoa beans. So Lirio is, like I said, it's a local company to Knoxville, and the goal is really to showcase what these beans can be like. They are each custom roasted and batch made depending on the attributes of that specific bean. So these are sourced and made. It is bean to bar the whole way through, and there's nothing added to it. It's just beans and cane sugar, and then some of the flavors, like these are not flavored ones, but he has some that are like coffee beans stuff, but there's never any like artificial emulsifiers or anything like that. And they come in these gorgeous like handmade paper wrappers. They are hand numbered with what batch they were made from. And there are a huge variety of flavors on his website. There is coffee, there is a spicy one, there is a bourbon barrel aged chocolate bar, there's a smoked sea salt bar, all kinds of just incredible sounding things. So be sure to check out Lirio Chocolate, local here to Knoxville, Tennessee. They will ship. This could be a fun, decadent gift for the mom in your life. All right, if you have stuck around to the end, thank you. Let me know in the comments down below what other organizations you love that give back to their communities. Here at the end, I do want to give you a couple of bonus tips. So if you have a mom in your life who just truly does not need any material thing and maybe doesn't want any material thing in your life, I would like to highlight an organization called Kids Alive. Kids Alive is out to rescue and redeem orphans and at-risk children. They believe in families, so they work to strengthen families and communities. So we personally, as a family, sponsor 2 children through the Kids Alive International Organization. So you may choose to sponsor a child in the name of the mom in your life that you are gifting to. If you don't want to commit to every month, they also have just come out with a new spring gift catalog where you can give a one-time gift that will make a difference in a community, from medical supplies to farm animals to water cleaning systems, anything like that that you can give to a community in need in the name of the person that you are gifting to, and then let the mom in your life know that you have gifted that thing in her name. So you can find them at kidsalive.org. All right, and a couple of other really easy bonus ideas to give back as you are gifting this spring and Mother's Day season. First of all, be sure to check that your chocolate is fair trade. I love Lirio. Obviously, it's a local company for me, and it is phenomenal. It is a fun treat. But there are lots of other very accessible brands out there that do source fair trade chocolate, including Trader Joe's and IKEA. So if the Lirio stuff is not in your budget, there are other fair trade options out there that you can buy knowing that they are giving back to a community around the world. If you are ordering from Amazon, be sure that you are starting at smile.amazon.com and not just the plain old Amazon site. You can choose a nonprofit of your choice to get a percentage of your purchase back, and it will log that choice for you, and every time you make a qualifying purchase, they will send money back to that organization. So be sure that you have your Amazon settings set to smile.amazon.com. And similarly, if you are shopping with Target, be sure that you are registered for the Target Circle app, and with every purchase you make, you earn votes toward where Target's charitable donations are going in your area. So if you are shopping at Target anyway, be sure that you are logging those purchases so that you can vote for the organization that is getting their benefits. So those are my Mother's Day gift ideas that give back. I hope you found some great inspiration here. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Happy Mother's Day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.